Hello children, welcome to Math Park. Today we are going to learn about alternate segment theorem. Very important concept. Do watch till end. And this video has many difficult problems which you feel which are being solved here. So please watch till end, children. Okay. So before starting with alternate segment theorem, let us understand parts of circle. So this is a chord. And what does the chord do? Chord divides the circle into two parts. So this is your minor segment and the another remaining part is your major segment. Okay, then this is the diameter. Diameter is the longest chord. The chord which passes through the center is called diameter. The line segment joining a center and any point on a circle is called a radius. So this two, you can see the radii, and the area between two radii is called a sector. So again, there is a minor sector and a major sector. So this shaded purple here is a minor sector, and rest of the portion is going to be a major sector. The part of a circumference, this is called an arc. Okay. So knowing about the segment now, let us understand the alternate segment theorem, children. So alternate means indifferent. Okay. So we have now studied the tangent theorems in the previous video. So this is the line which touches the circle exactly at one point is a tangent, and this is a chord. Now this chord is dividing the circle into two segments. So this is one segment and this is the another segment. So the angles in the alternate segment are equal. So the alternate segment theorem, what does it say? That the angle between the tangent and the chord at the point of contact is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Got it? So we are going to solve the problems based on these now. And one more important thing, children, this alternate segment theorem, using this, we can see another pair of equivalent angles on the diagram. Now, if this is equal, so we can see that this angle again will be with this chord again, the angle between a tangent and a chord is formed. So another angle will be the angle in the alternate segment. So you can see here with y and y. Okay. So these concepts are important now to solve the problems. So now in this, shade the matching angles in the alternate segments in each diagram. So you can see the angles formed by the tangent and a chord over here, right? And now we are going to shade the angles in the alternate segment. So we start with the first figure. So you can see these two angles are equal. Now this pink and pink, they form the angles in the alternate segment. For the B diagram, now this one is the angle in the alternate segment along with this angle. So you can say that this angle and this angle are equal. The same way this two will be equal. So let us shade that also. So we can say the angles in the alternate segment are equal. In the figure C also. I hope the concept of alternate segment will be clear with this. Now the angle in the alternate segment in this figure D here is this is one of the angle and this is one of the angle. And if this angle will be equal to which one? Come on, tell me. Yes. So this is equal to the entire this angle. Remember. So this is a chord, the angle made by a tangent and a chord, and then angle formed in the alternate segment. Okay. So if I take this as y, then this is my y. Okay. Now let's look at the another one. So you can see these angles are again equal. Angles in the alternate segment here, which is that angle. So if I take this as my angle A, then this is my angle in the alternate segment. Okay, if this is my angle B, so my angle in the alternate segment is going to be this part, which is going to be B now. Getting it? For the last diagram now, F here again, let us shade. So you can say that this angle A is equal to this angle A again. If I take this as B, now this angle is going to be my B. So let us shade that part. Okay. Let's start with some more problems on alternate segment theorem, children. Okay, so here is a question from your own book. Okay, so you have to find the value of A. Look at the diagram here. So this is a straight line. So this angle will form a linear pair along with this since it is a straight line. So this angle will be 180 minus 110, which is 70 degree. Look at this. Your ACB is an isosceles triangle. If the sides are equal, the angles opposite to them. So this is also going to be 70 degree. Now this is a tangent. Your AB is a tangent and angle A is the angle in the alternate segment. Okay. So that is how you get A is equal to 70 degree. Got it? So what did we do? We first found angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 110. So which is equal to 70 degree. Then since this was an isosceles triangle, we have angle CAB is equal to angle ABC, which is equal to 70 degree, and then this was the angle in the alternate segment. Angle in the alternate segment. It is important to write the reasons if asked. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Yes. Want to try this? You can pause the video and try. What is do this arrow say? Arrow say that these two lines are parallel. Now, if these lines are parallel and this is the transversal, this angle is 72. Alternate interior angles are equal. Okay. Now, again, if this angle is 72 and this is my tangent and this is my angle between the chord and tangent, so this angle is going to be 72 now. Angles in the alternate segment. And then we can find E. So E by angle sum property of a triangle, by angles of triangle add up to 80 degree. Angles of triangle add up to 180 degree. So you get this as E is equal to 180 minus 72 plus 72. 72 plus 72 is 144 and 180 minus 144 is 36 degree is the value of E. Got it, children? Okay, now let's solve one more question. Okay, look at this. You have to find the value of X in this diagram. So if this angle is 30 and these two sides are given equal, so this is going to be 30, right? And then by angle sum property, this is going to be this particular angle. Let me name it as, say, A. So you get A is equal to 180 minus 30 plus 30. So which is 180 minus 60, which we get as 120 degree. So you got this angle as 120. If this angle is 120, then this angle X and this angle X are angles in the alternate segment, right? So that is how you get X is equal to 180 minus 120, which is 60 degree. Got it? So this is this angle X and this angle X. They are the angles in the alternate segment. Got it, children? Easy? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Yes. So you have to find the value of X over here. Okay. So for that, what we do is this is the point of contact at T. Okay. The tangent is at T. So now this AB is the tangent at T. So let us join this part. So if I join it, I get this angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So I get this as 90 degree. Okay. So if I have to find the value of X, again, this is the 30 degree. So angle in the alternate segment is going to be 30 degree. So if I name it as say P, so you get angle P is equal to 30 degree. This is angles in alternate segment, angles in alternate segment. Okay. And then now this is 90 degree, that is angle P T, let me name it as M is equal to 90 degree. This becomes angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Remember, we will be coming up with that video again. Now this PTB is a triangle. So in triangle PTB, let us add all of these angles. So we get X plus 30 plus 90 plus this 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of these form 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So this is how you get X is equal to 180 minus 30 plus 90 is 120 plus 30 is 150. So that is how you get the value of X as 30 degree. Got it, children? Easy and interesting. If you like the video, please share with your friends. New to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.